All right, here is NAKA, Kindly MD Incorporated. I have no idea what they do, but let's look at the chart. Newer IPO June 2024. You're talking the 4 line, 78 cents. Very nice move in May. When you start to see candles go up like this, very tight candles, that's a good move. And then look what happened. It spikes up all the way to 32. Can you imagine that? I mean, sometimes in stock market, it's going to be luck. I mean, if you're playing this and like, okay, you're playing this little breakout, you can see it go up here. Look at stochastics. We're going up. You're very overbought here. But the algo system, saying buy right here, and it makes sense because you're breaking over 2. You're already at 4. Now you could be saying we're overbought. Now, this might have been earnings too, and this pop, whatever news. But if you're back at 2 and you're like, I'm playing this for at least a move, you think you can go to this 4 line, that's a good move here. And then that's a bonus. This goes to 32. That's what's possible. That's why low to high. Now, this wasn't low on stochastics. This was overbought. In my zones here, you have very hot, cool, very cool. This would be in the very cool zone, which you really don't want to buy, but it's just the way it's set up right there. All right, anyway, this comes down. Look at this big falling wedge right here. You had a bounce here in August, and then this came down hard again. Look at this wedge, 419. You have a first green candle on an oversold move at 5.16 stochastics right here. Weekly chart, you are still going down right over what you don't have a crossover yet, so you'd be aware of that. 4 hour, you are coming up, hasn't come up since August. So in this daily chart, I'd watch if we get any kind of good spike here, and this really takes off. Looking for the trend line all the way down here, which would be about 9, 9-ish, around there, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10.